Drone technology fans, Bill here. RIP GoPro Karma? We'll find out, coming right up. Hey drone technology fans, Bill here. As we all know, the GoPro Karma had some major issues last year. It had some serious technical issues, but the most serious issue of all, it was falling from the sky in mid-flight. GoPro ended up finding out that the battery would get disconnected in mid-flight. They issued an immediate recall, brought all of the drones back in, took care of the issue, and as of February last year, they started selling them again, and they did recover somewhat from this. But unfortunately, it wasn't enough, as they announced 200 to 300 people will be laid off from their drones division this week. They will get paid through February next month. This is signaling to me, I think, the death knell of drones for GoPro Karma. If you look at the price point here, as you see on Amazon, it's over $1,000 for a GoPro Karma. And the GoPro Karma is a good drone, but it's not a great drone. I would say definitely the Mavic Pro is a great drone, and it's under $1,000. And I would even go so far as to say the Spark is a great drone and a better drone than the GoPro Karma, and that's well under $1,000. I think we all know the price point on that as well. So, you know, unfortunately, I don't see them recovering from this. I don't see, like I said, I'm thinking by the end of the year, they're probably not going to be doing drones anymore for GoPro. So if you like the content from today's video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and tell others about my channel. Also, be sure to check out my blog where I post mini reviews and updates on the drone and technology industries. And also be sure to check out my Facebook page where I put updates on a daily basis regarding the drone industry. Thanks for watching and happy flying!